Another day, another loss. Another player lost. Another one down. Another season down. Agony. 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 The Rockies were the worst team in baseball. Not anymore. They got healthy with the Mets. You know, they only had 2 wins coming into this series. Now they're going to leave with double that. As the Mets, you know, to call them a AAA lineup is unfair. They're not quite a AAA lineup. They're even worse. And now, I might have to take the field. Steve Cohen's put out the call, and I might have to answer it. I might have to get out there, and I might have to suit up. I don't know if I could hit, but fuck, I couldn't be worse than Francisco Lindor. I mean, my God, what the fuck is going on there? Anyway, what should I drink? I mean, could this passion fruit help? I mean, what exactly is passion fruit anyway? Passion fruit. And this is from Jarritos. I think I might have actually said it right this time. Jarritos. Is that how you say it? Jarrito? Jarrito? You know, when I first saw this, I thought it actually was Jarrito. You see, it had little jugs, a little jar. But I think I actually now got it right. Jarrito. And it's a Mexican soda. Made with real cane sugar, imported from Mexico. And they don't have twist off this, so I had to get out my trusty bottle opener.
Tank, before you get started, did you take Spanish back in school? Or foreign language?
I had to take 1 class of Spanish, and I did not remember a single fucking thing. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Where did the lid go? People always complain about me dropping the lid and I can't even fucking find it. It disappeared. Oh, there it is. Did that roll or did it roll? Let's see. There, I picked up the fucking lid. Bitter. 4.6.
How's that compared to some of the other, like mango and all those flavors?
The other flavors are better.
Mm.
Ugh.